Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a company in QuickBooks. Whether you've created a company by mistake, you're testing QuickBooks, or you simply no longer need a particular business file, I'll walk you through the available options step by step. If you need to completely remove a company from QuickBooks, the process depends on how old your QuickBooks Online account is. That's important because newer accounts can be fully wiped right away, while older accounts follow a different path. So before doing anything, it's a good idea to know approximately when the QuickBooks Online company was created. Let's start with QuickBooks Online accounts that are less than 60 days old. If your company was created within the last 60 days, QuickBooks gives you a way to erase all of the company data and start over from scratch. This can be especially useful if you've entered test transactions, imported incorrect information, or simply want a completely fresh setup without creating another company. To do this, first log into QuickBooks as an admin, since only an administrator can complete this action. Once you're signed in, go to your browser's address bar. At the end of the current QuickBooks URL, you'll see a word such as Homepage or Things Done. Replace that ending with Purge Company, then press Enter on your keyboard. Make sure you're logged in to the exact company you want to remove before continuing, especially if you manage multiple QuickBooks companies. This opens the Company Purge page. At this point, QuickBooks will display a warning message. Take a moment to read it carefully because this action is permanent. Purging a company means all of the data in that company will be erased. That can include transactions, customer and vendor information, accounts, reports, and other information associated with that company. So this isn't something you'll want to do accidentally. If you're sure you want to continue, type Yes in the confirmation box, then click OK. QuickBooks will then permanently delete the company data, so you can begin again with a clean slate. If there's anything you might need later, consider exporting or saving important records before completing the purge. Now let's look at QuickBooks Online accounts that are more than 60 days old. For older accounts, the Purge option is no longer available. That means you can't use the Purge Company link to completely wipe the company. So if you've had the company for more than 60 days, don't worry if the Purge method doesn't work. The process is simply different for an older account. Instead, if you want to fully delete the company, you'll need to cancel the QuickBooks subscription tied to it. To do that, click the gear icon to open Settings. From there, select Subscriptions and Billing. Find your current plan, click Cancel Subscription, and then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. It's worth reviewing the cancellation information shown by QuickBooks before confirming, so you understand what happens to your subscription and access. It's important to understand that, in this case, canceling the subscription does not instantly erase all company data on the spot. According to Intuit, the data is permanently deleted automatically after 1 year of inactivity. In other words, cancellation stops the active subscription, while the company information may remain available or retained for a period before permanent deletion takes place. So if your account is older than 60 days, cancellation is the required route, and the company data remains stored until that inactive period is complete. This distinction is important because canceling a subscription and immediately purging company data are not the same thing. Before you proceed with either method, make sure you're deleting the correct company, since both options are meant for situations where you no longer need that business file. If the company contains financial records you may need for accounting, taxes, reporting, or future reference, save or export those records first before taking any permanent action. And that's how to delete a company in QuickBooks. If you're working with a newer account, you may be able to purge the company and start fresh immediately. If it's an older account, you'll need to cancel the subscription and allow QuickBooks to follow its data retention process.